right, you got to check this out. Come on. Welcome to Sholo. How pretty is this? It is what, 70 something, 75 degrees today? This is some of the neat subdivisions out here. No one knows what's here. Okay, we got lakes. I got golf course. I mean, that's gorgeous. You can see the golf course stuff down there. Way off in the distance, I took a video a little while ago. That's the air park. You have your own air park. You never even have to go into Sholo. You never have to go to Phoenix. You can just land right here. This is beautiful. That is clearly over there. I can see, looks like a clubhouse of some sorts. There's people there. It's probably got a restaurant. That's where all the kids are getting married now, I'm sure. Talk about beautiful. And you could, how far can you see? This is awesome. I love it.
Would you live here?
Totally. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Who wouldn't want to live here?
Yeah.
I mean, I would come up here. I can see totally buying this as a dreamy vacation spot, right? And then you come up here like we are. You gotta get a picture of our rig here. Dreamy vacation spot. You come up here, you spend a couple weekends, and then you realize how great it is and how quiet it is, and then you don't want to leave. Next thing you know, you're trying to figure out how you can live here full time. That's what would probably happen, and that happens to a lot of people like us. Beautiful rig. We could live in this.